Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. There's been drama in Harare after businessman Wicknel Chivayo's ex-wife, Sonia Matsikanda, was reportedly arrested following a complaint he filed. Reports say the case centers on two things, which are child access dispute. Allegations say she blocked Chivayo from seeing their kids. The case also centers on the missing device. Sonia is accused of taking one of his gadgets that allegedly had personal pictures.
I am at Highlands Police. I received two documents today. The first one was from Wicknel Chivayo saying I was denying him his kids. This is now the second time he has done this to me. Over the holiday, I didn't have access to my kids on my birthday. I didn't have my 2 weeks of the holiday with him. Then I traveled last week, to which I told him he should have his week with the kids. Then he denied. He went to Singapore. Today I came back. I did my kids' school run. I picked up my kids. When I came back, he called the police and said that I had denied him access to his kids. That was the first docket. When he saw that my lawyer came and defended my second docket, he then came and has alleged that I have stolen one of his devices. This is a man who is heavily guarded, as you are all aware, has so many security guards around him. I managed to get access to one of his devices and get a video of him with the president that's very compromising, and that is what now I am being arrested and detained for.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.